Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So we want to cancel about the square root, so we need to have the power 2 in here and another power 2 in here. To create about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one, that is about this one. So we will have about 1 plus sine x minus 1 minus sine x. So if we simplify this one, we will have about 2 sine x. So we know that tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. And now we need to simplify sine x on numerator and denominator. Now we put number 0 cone here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. So if we simplify it, and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.